Hello everyone, today I'm in Dresden, the capital city of Saxony. I'm living in Leipzig, as you know. I've been using the €9 ticket and I've been visiting some cities in Germany, and this time I am in Dresden with my friend Batuhan.
Hello everyone.
So he is living here for more than a year right now, and he says like he knows the city so well, and we will be having a tour of the city with him, and he will be showing us all the beautiful places in this beautiful city, Dresden. So, as we all know, Dresden is a city that had some problems in World War II. Because of that, some of the buildings got damaged. Eventually, they just repaired the places based on its original form, right?
Yes, definitely. We can understand which part of the building is renewed. If the stone is dark, that's the first building part, but white part of them it is the renew part.
So as an example, what he said is like there's this light stones over there, which are the new stones, and the darker ones are the original ones. So here we are in the Großkirche. We paid €2.50 each, so €5 for both of us, which is a student ticket. So normally for a single ticket it's €5 to visit here. I mean, there are a lot of stairs. I think we're climbing to the tower.
Yes.
Man, if I knew we were gonna climb, I wouldn't pay that money. Oh, can you see how sweaty I am right now? It's so hot today, and unfortunately it is sunny. But the juice is worth the squeeze, huh? So we're in a beautiful place. Großkirche Tower, we are at the top of it, and we can see the beautiful view of Dresden from here.
As you can see, the whole city is in a circle. There's a river which name is Elbe River, that goes until the Budapest. If you cross the river, Elbe River, you will be in Neustadt. Actually, there is no historical place in Neustadt. Generally, you can find lots of coffee, bar, club, but Altstadt, which we are in, that's really a touristic place. Population is nearly 500,000.
So normally this place is the old marketplace, but unfortunately there's a repairment right now going on, and it's so noisy. We're gonna go in Starbucks to tidy up ourselves. I'm so sweaty. I need to go somewhere cool, which has an air condition. So let's go in, bro. Look how sweaty I am. I mean, it's so humid and so hot outside. So I want to tell you about a story how we met. So while I was going to Munich, we were sitting next to each other in the train, and he actually thought I was Italian, right?
Yeah, I said you look like Italian.
He said, I do look like Italian. I don't know that, but like just whatever. But when I realized he's on phone talking to his mother, I guess, in Turkish. Then I just said, hey man, are you Turkish as well? But I said it in Turkish. And then we met there, and he told me he's living in Dresden. He came here for the exchange, right?
Yeah, exchange.
So normally where you study?
Istanbul Technical University.
Yeah, Technical University in Istanbul. One of the oldest universities, like probably the oldest university in Turkey. And he is here for exchange, and we met him, and here we are. I mean, unfortunately the weather is not the ideal weather to go around the city, but whatever, we'll just go on. Okay, so we moved, and there's a museum over there, and there is this square over here. So what is this name of the museum?
Verkia Museum.
Verkia Museum. And let's go on. There's also a statue over there.
There will be a festival. It takes 3 days. It starts tomorrow. It is the biggest festival of the Sachsen area. Nearly 200,000 people will come. There is a DJ performance in the cathedral.
You heard him, and you must blame him for that, because if I knew there is a festival tomorrow here, I would come here tomorrow, man. Why didn't you tell me about that?
I forgot. Sorry.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I came here today, and it's a day trip, so I will go back to Leipzig. But whatever that is, so you will see the preparation phase of this festival.
But if you come tomorrow, we can't walk in here.
I won't come tomorrow anyways. Here, this Freudkirche, right?
Yeah,
Freudkirche.
Yeah, Freudkirche.
Freudkirche. Here in this Freudkirche, it's so recognizable. Which part of it is new, which part of it is old, and I will show you that in a moment. But like before that, I want to show you the statue of Martin Luther. So the mistake is the name of the kirche is Freudenkirche, right?
Yeah.
Freudenkirche, yeah. We were wrong about that. So what you can recognize is the stones over there are very light colored, and the back side of it's very black. I mean, like the dark sides are the old ones, and the sweating again, and the bright stones are new. But like it's so good that they've done it in their original form. I don't know it, but I believe this stone is from an original building that used to be here, but after the World War II probably it is destroyed, and it is over here. They let it stay here in case the people can remember what kind of a disaster a war is. So peace in the home, peace in the world. So when it comes to this part of the city, what we see is there is this Kings of Saxony area. From the Munich video, if you watched it, we visited the palace of Bavaria kings, and over here what we have is a drawing, like I don't know, a wall full of beautiful drawings that tell us about history of the princes and the kings of the Kingdom of Saxony back in the time.
It's divided according to time period.
So for instance, we have Konrad Grosse. So I believe it's Big Konrad, something like that. And we can see that he ruled Saxony between 1127 to 1156. So what we learn over here is basically its history starts from 12th century, and it still goes all the way, and we will see at the end how will it end. So we are at the end of the wall. It's very long, and at the end the last date we see is 1873, which is Johann Albert Georg. I don't know. I believe it's the period of Otto von Bismarck and then the unification of German states. He united this part as Prussia, then he moved towards Paris, and then he defeated Napoleon III, and then here we have the united Germany over here. So at the end of the wall, we're near to the Elbe River, and there is a square over here which has some cathedrals, and there is this statue of I don't know who, but like what was the name of this place again?
That building?
Yeah.
Oberlandes Gerät.
Oberlandes Gerät.
Gerät.
Yeah, it should be like that. And what we see here, I mean, there are lots of statues over there which look so good indeed.
I
I will try it. Cathedral.
Let's try it.
Sanctissimae Trinitatis.
It's really hard.
It sounds like Greek, man. Trinitatis. Okay, so let's go to the bridge and let's see the beautiful view of this Elbe River. If you know me in person, then you know I love trucks. I love American Muscle and Dodge, you know, Chevrolet and Dodge Power Wagon, Dodge Ram, and here we have Dodge Ram 3500, and it's a heavy-duty version, so it has 2 wheels at the back side. I mean, look at that! It said Beast over here. So this square looks so beautiful, and actually this building is an opera building, as I learned. And I mean, look at this place. It's so peaceful, and over there there's a river. I mean, if you're living here, you can come here whenever you want, whenever you feel bored. I think Dresden is a good place to live. It can be. Here we are in Zwinger. Zwinger or Zwinger? Zwinger.
Zwinger, yeah.
Yeah, here we are in Zwinger, and I believe this place was a palace of Saxony kings, because this is the capital of Saxony. In Wikipedia, I wouldn't lie, I just checked the information from Wikipedia, and it says it has an art gallery, like it has one of the unique collections in terms of art and in terms of some pictures, right? Some sort of. Okay, let's go and see that. And also there is a beautiful garden inside. Let's see. After a tiring trip, we came here to drink some Czech beer, I believe. It's a Czech beer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Krosovice.
Krosovice. Dobro večer.
Dobro večer, dobro večer.
Yes, it's a different taste, but it tastes good. So it is so close to Prague, and that's why probably they have those kind of beer. And there is a I have a cousin who lives in Berlin, and he told me if you wanna drink good beer, just go for Czech beers in Germany. That's what he says. I don't know it.
In Prague, there's a beer museum. It has a different 45 beer, honey, strawberry.
Never tried that much of beer. Like, I wouldn't even imagine there would be 45 different kinds of beer.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah. Okay. Prost. Here we are in the Neustadt, so we cross the bridge. Then the name of the lake, name of the river was
Elbe.
Elbe. We are in the new side of the city right now, and a nice street which is name is Hauptstraße Jorge Gomondei Platz.
Yeah.
So this is the name of the place, and this will be the eventual place of the trip. And at the end, I'll be going back to Leipzig. I feel so tired. I didn't sleep at the night at all. That happens to me. Sleeping disorders, you know. I've been having this kind of sleeping disorders all my life. So that's that's a problem, yeah. So when it comes to going out for the night, this is the place that young people come, right?
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, like if you want to go to parties or to clubs or whatever, this is the area that you're coming in Dresden. There is something unique in Dresden. There are very old buildings that are made in 2005.
Yeah.
But they are still old because they were destroyed in World War II, and after that they rebuilt that based on its original form, which is so cool. And yeah, like if you're gonna visit the city, I really recommend you to see the Altstadt. Yes, the old city, I mean. And there is nothing for me in the new Neustadt. There is nothing for me. I mean, it's just a city, you know. It's ordinary buildings, new buildings, nothing historical. Not my thing. But Altstadt is good.
Definitely. And for tourists, especially, the most beautiful thing is you can, when you come here, you can just walk around the whole city just 3 or 4 hours. You can see the whole touristic place, whole historical place. This is a really big opportunity for tourists.
Yeah, so this is the end of the video, and the next time I'm planning to go, I don't know, if I can, I want to go Hamburg first, then maybe if I get a chance I will go to West Germany, which there are cities like Dortmund and other cities, you know, and for that just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and if you really like the video, just consider subscribing and liking the video. I mean, give it a thumbs up, right? Like this, huh? Not like this, like this.
Like that.
Okay, see you in the next videos.